Thank you. Very flattering indeed. Thank you so much. Your Excellencies, my dear friends, everything has been said
Tout a été
by the
déjà dit
presidency and by my sister.
par ma sœur
So
et
I'm just
par la
wondering
présidence.
how could add value to this?
Comment ajouter de
And
la
here
valeur,
my
de la valeur.
When I took office in 2005,
Quand j'ai commencé à travailler en 2005,
it was in the aftermath of a very important summit in London, the G8 summit.
c'était quand j'étais dans
That
un
G8
sommet.
summit had focus,
J'ai
among
eu-
other things, on Africa.
C'était
But the focus
concentré
was
sur le.
How to double aid to Africa.
C'était le
How
thème
to do something
du
for
sommet, c'était
Africa.
sur l'aide africaine.
How to help Africa.
Comment aider l'Afrique.
It was well intended.
Ils avaient de
but
bonnes
it reflected
intentions,
the thinking at the time.
mais bien sûr,
So
c'était
just
pas la
walk
manière de
back,
penser.
imagine that when 2002, 3, 4, 5, this meeting will not be talking about opportunities.
Aujourd'hui, on va
It will
parler
talk
des
about
opportunités.
problems in Africa and how to resolve them.
On va pas parler d'opportunités, on va parler des problèmes et comment les résoudre.
This is what has changed.
C'est
I
ce
said
qu'on
this
va
because I want
changer.
to thank the organizers for
J'aimerais
doing what they're doing.
remercier les organisateurs
Because part of the problem Africa has suffered
Parce
is
que
one
le-
of perception,
le
is
problème,
one of brand.
le problème
And so
que
any
l'Afrique a
effort like
souffert,
you
c'est
are
la
doing
manière
here
dont elle a été
to change the
parlée,
perception of Africa,
dont elle a
change
été
the brand,
vue.
is actually step one to increasing investment. Because as a continent, we have paid too high a price
En tant
because of risk
continent,
perception, as opposed to risk
on a payé
reality.
un grand prix à cause de la
So I want to
perception
thank
de
the organizers.
l'Afrique.
That was my first point.
Donc
Because that
j'aimerais
is
vraiment
how we
remercier
begin,
les organisateurs
changing
parce que
brand.
c'est comme ça qu'on commence, en changeant la vision de l'Afrique.
Now, fast forward 2008, during the financial crisis.
En 2008, pendant la crise économique,
During the financial crisis, I convened a meeting in Tunis of the finance ministers, governors, central banks, and many other people.
j'ai eu
Because
une
then,
réunion avec
The
des
ruling
ministres.
idea was that the continent that will suffer the most will be
L'idée, c'était que le continent qui va souffrir le plus de la crise,
now.
c'est
Look at
l'Afrique.
the numbers up and
Maintenant,
down.
regardez au
I
nom.
was not convinced,
Je n'étais pas
but I
convaincu
was
de cela,
conscious that we had to do something.
mais je
So
voulais
we
faire
sat
quelque
with ministers
chose.
and governors, and we decided the following.
Alors, j'ai fait une réunion avec
Okay.
les ministres, on a décidé,
We looked at our banks. We found that they are well capitalized,
on a
Well regulated.
créé une banque.
and no other issues that are being resolved. Because a banking crisis is what, after all? It's about
Une banque
have rules
en
upfront.
crise, c'est quoi,
which are known.
en fait?
You have someone to ensure those rules are followed, supervisors. You have someone in place to ensure that those who don't follow the rules are sanctioned. And if there is a problem, it is resolved in a way which does not impose high cost to
On a
society.
besoin de
That is what the
régulations
banking should
en
be.
place.
It's a bit like traffic. You have got traffic lights, traffic
C'est en
policemen,
fait comme
you have rules. We look at all these things in terms of
Comme en
our banking
conduite.
sector, and we
Il
realize
faut qu'on ait des
that we're not
règles.
doing badly at all. And so the first thing we decided was there was no need to change policies.
On n'a pas besoin de changer de
We
politique.
stayed the course. Now, why am I saying this?
Pourquoi je dis
Because
ça?
in the rest of the world,
Parce que dans
at
le
that point,
monde entier,
they were
dans le
actually
reste du
changing
monde,
policies.
ils sont en train de
The
changer de
same policies
politique.
that have been telling Africa to follow.
La même politique qu'ils ont dit à l'Afrique de suivre. Alors, après la crise, ils ont changé.
It is not a moot point. It's an important point because
C'est
far too often,
un
our problem in
thème
Africa
très
has been one
important.
of inconsistency of policies because we are not in charge of our own policies.
L'Afrique n'est
But
pas
from that
en
point,
charge de
in
ses propres
2008, we
politiques.
are in charge of our policies. We are able to decide this is good.
En 2008,
It's not
on a
good.
changé nos
It's what we
policies.
do.
Notre politique. On a été
I say
capable de
this
dire
again
ça c'est bien,
because
ça c'est pas
I
bien.
believe that there has been a fundamental shift inside the
Je
continent
pense
about how we
qu'il
view
y a eu un
ourselves.
changement en 2008 dans la façon dont on se
What do
voit,
others think about us? What are the policies?
la façon dont
Shall
le
we choose
monde nous voit.
between these or that policies? As if there was a supermarket where I go to buy policies. Now we're in charge of our own policies.
Maintenant, on est en charge de notre
My
propre
next
politique.
point. You heard this morning from our leaders and my sister here about things happening in Africa. That is true. I've been in this job for 9 years. I can confirm that. I've visited over 50 countries in Africa.
J'ai visité plus de
Sometimes
15
twice.
pays en
And I
Afrique.
can vouch here there is a fundamental change going on in each one of those countries.
Il y a des
here's
changements
the point.
fondamentaux qui se passent en
Nothing
Afrique
is
en ce moment.
preordained.
L'Afrique est très importante,
Success is not preordained. There is work to be done.
mais il y a du travail à faire.
And I think internally in Africa we're having that dialogue. We know exactly
Et je
what,
pense qu'internellement, on le sait.
from the things described this morning. Infrastructure, integration,
Euh,
skills.
Dans
and the rest of it.
l'infrastructure et tout ce dont on a parlé avant.
Now, some of the things we have to do
Certaines
internal
choses qu'on
to
doit
us.
faire,
But I do think the most important one for
la
me
chose la plus importante
is
qu'on
that
doit
we have
faire
to
pour
figure
moi,
out how to finance our own development.
c'est comment financer notre propre développement.
A continent that relies on others to finance its own development is ordained to failure. We have looked through the numbers. We have ability to fund Africa's development, and this is
On a
how.
regardé les chiffres, on est capable de promouvoir
It's
l'Afrique,
about
le
domestic
développement.
resource
Premièrement,
mobilization. It's just not.
Quoi?
It's just not right that a country
ce n'est pas normal que le pays
exports 1 million barrels per day, and yet
exporte
the non-oil GDP share of taxation is less than 7%. There's something wrong. We
plus,
can mobilize more resources internally.
export more than 1
And that
billion
is
of
our
barrels
task.
of oil per day.
But
It's
it's
not
not enough
normal.
to mobilize resources internally.
It's
Well,
not
you
enough.
must spend it wisely. Citizens must see that you're actually spending their money well. There must be a
Citizen,
link between
oh, am I
taxation
speaking in French?
and development. Number two, this morning I heard a lot about natural resources.
Deuxièmement,
You know, there's a professor in Boston who likes to say that natural resources
il y a un
are
professeur en
God-given. You're
Boston qui a
born
dit
to
que
find them there, the ground.
les ressources naturelles sont là.
Sorry, President Conde, I know you have a lot of it. So.
Président Condé en a
But natural
beaucoup.
resources is something you find on
Les
the
ressources
ground which God
naturelles,
has
c'est
given
quelque
you.
chose que vous trouvez dans le sol.
Your task is to ensure now that you actually use it to create wealth.
Vous devez être sûr de
That's what
l'utiliser
Massi
pour créer des boulots, des
It's
travails.
absolutely important that those
C'est
who have
très
these
important
vast amounts of natural resources now use them,
que
these
ceux qui
finite
investissent
resources, to create
dans
wealth.
les ressources
And
naturelles
you create wealth by,
doivent
training
créer
people,
des
by building
emplois,
infrastructure.
créer
And this is what
des
most of these
emplois pour créer
countries
de la
are.
richesse.
I know many companies here probably are involved in this extractive industry.
Beaucoup de compagnies ici sont
I hope this
probablement
week, my sister will
dans
talk about
cette industrie
Also
extractive.
ensuring that African countries with natural resources get a fair share of those resources.
C'est important que
That's
l'Afrique
been an
ait
issue.
une bonne
That's been an
partie
issue
de
that
ces
some of these
ressources.
countries negotiate contracts
Certains de ces
which in the
compagnies
long term are
négocient
untenable
des contrats
because they're simply unbalanced
qui sont
in favor of the investors. And so
qui
the
sont
countries get very
qui ne
little
sont
out of the
pas
resources.
justes envers.
So the other
l'Afrique.
way we are going to finance our development is to ensure that
L'autre manière dont on
investors
peut
get their
investir
return on
dans
their money,
l'Afrique, c'est
but also countries
d'être
owning those
sûr
resources get a fair share of those resources.
que les pays qui participent aient
Now,
une bonne
if
partie
we
des
don't do
ressources.
that, the future generations will ask us, but what did you do with oil, with gas, with platinum, with
Les
gold?
générations futures
And I want to commend here the last G8 summit for what
doivent
they did
investir dans
in the agenda they called TTT, Trade, Taxation and Transparency.
dans toutes les ressources
Let
naturelles.
investors get their fair share, but let countries also get their fair share. That's
c'est-
how we shall
C'est
fund our
très
development.
important que
Second,
tous les pays qui
the
ont les
third way
ressources
we shall
naturelles
fund
aient aussi
our
une bonne
development
partie
is like
des
what all
richesses,
nations
au
on earth
profit
have
des
done.
bonnes parties des richesses.
It is access the capital markets. And I want to commend countries who are now doing everything they can to get ratings, to go to the capital markets and borrow money for it. But here is the golden rule.
La,
It is that
la règle
borrow
d'or,
carefully,
c'est de
invest
prendre de
wisely,
l'argent, vraiment
and ensure that
de
you
faire
build
très attention quand on
domestic
prend,
debt
prête de
management
l'argent
capabilities.
et d'investir
If you don't do that,
sagement,
in
parce que si on
an
ne le fait
distant
pas,
future, you'll create another problem.
on crée un autre
And
problème.
that is the third way we can fund our development. Access the capital markets. There is absolutely nothing wrong to do that.
Africa peut,
The fourth way we shall fund our
participer au
development
marché, c'est
is
pas ça le problème.
getting together. We have done a study with the AU, with the ECA, we show that domestic pool of savings on the continent is
On a
well
fait
in
une
excess
étude
of
avec l'Union
$1.5 trillion.
africaine.
$1.5 trillion. Now, we're putting together an instrument in the bank which is meant to mobilize a small portion of those resources.
Maintenant, on a
Get them
décidé
together, invest together in African
de se mettre
cross-border
ensemble
infrastructure. In that
pour
way, we
régler
shall
le
expand
problème,
the size of our market
pour
and the
expandre
diversity
le marché,
of our market.
les infrastructures.
I hope that we can succeed.
Et j'espère
Because
qu'on
if
va
we do
réussir,
so,
parce que si on
We
réussit,
shall be able not only to
on va
give a
être
better return
capable
to our institutional investors, but also a better return to external investors who will be joining us in
non
infrastructure.
seulement de donner une meilleure opportunité
my
aux
experience as president of the
investisseurs
bank,
futurs.
I think that going forward, three things will be critical, and many of them are also an opportunity for investors.
3 choses maintenant très
Here
importantes
is
pour
one
le
of them.
futur. Premièrement,
Just imagine that in 2008, during the financial crisis, there was no China,
en
there was no Brazil,
2008,
there was no India, there was no Africa.
pendant la crise, imaginez qu'il
This
n'y
would have
avait
been a very deep crisis.
aucun moyen
But the reason
de
this financial crisis
communiquer.
has not
Ça
had the
aurait été
damage
une
it had
très
because
grande
we had
crise.
these shock absorbers in the large emerging markets. Now, the large emerging markets are slowing down.
Maintenant,
so who will
ouais,
be
c'est
the next shock absorber for the global economy? It's us.
Qui va être le prochain
right.
choqueur
We are the
pour
next
l'économie
opportunity
globale?
for
C'est nous,
everybody on the globe.
nous les Africains.
But that
Nous
cannot
sommes
happen
là pour
if
le
we come
développement
together in a
du monde.
meaningful way.
Mais on doit se mettre
And so I
ensemble.
do agree with my leaders here and,
Et c'est pour
my
cela
sister
que
Lamine Zuma that
en vous
domestic
saluant
integration is
aujourd'hui,
absolutely critical.
je vous
Not
dis,
simply as a political imperative,
c'est vraiment important
but it's the best way to
qu'on
ensure that
doit
we shock absorbing capacity
communiquer
to shock in the global
domestiquement.
system.
C'est comme cela
And
que
they'll
nous
always be there
pourrons,
because
nous
that's the
pourrons
nature of the
renforcer
capitalist
nos forces
So what
et
I've
nos
learned in
nos
the bank is
capacités.
that
Qu'est-ce que j'ai appris à la
if
banque?
today the African
Si aujourd'hui, le
continent,
continent
I had a figure
africain
of 12% internal trade. Actually,
a-
that figure is lower than reality.
a 12% d'intérêt
The
de
figure
marché
in the Eastern African region
interne.
is actually close to 26%,
Les figures
which is the same
vraiment
level
sont plus
as that in Southeast Asia,
26%.
26%. The reason we quote a figure of 12% often is that in Central African
Pourquoi on
region,
nous donne 12% tout le temps? C'est
in North
que
Africa, it
tous
is
les
even
jours,
lower, less than 2%.
les
So the overall
le
African
numéro
average
ne
comes
font que
down to 12%.
diminuer. Et pour l'Afrique, ça
But
diminue
in
encore
fact, in
plus.
those regions
Dans ces
where
régions
free movement of people,
où il y a
free movement of
la
merchandise,
mobilité des gens, où
you have
l'autonomie du
actually
gouvernement,
higher levels of
on a
development
toujours
emanating from
une croissance
this regional trade.
de développement
So
qui est plus
when I hear
élevée.
people say, well, African development is about extractives, oil and gas.
Quand
it's not a
j'entends
part of
les
the
gens
story. Maybe 30%.
dire que
larger part
le
of the story
développement
is
africain,
actually
c'est sur les mines,
internal
ce n'est
trade
pas vrai.
on the continent.
Ce
But
que
I think if we could
le continent africain a besoin,
accelerate
ce sont
that integration,
les partenariats internes.
and we shall accept that integration by
Et on doit accepter
goods,
cette intégration
working together on railways and roads
en
and things.
travaillant ensemble
And so I
comme
do
frères et
think for
sœurs.
investors coming to Africa at the moment,
Et c'est pour cela que
think
je
different.
veux dire aux
I
investisseurs
think
qui
someone
viennent
mentioned
en
here,
Afrique
you're not investing
de
only
penser
in Cameroon,
différemment.
in Guinea and Madagascar.
Vous ne
You are
pouvez pas
investing in a wider space.
investir au Cameroun, en Guinée,
Now, investing in that
Guinée.
wider space means we have to do everything we can internally to unlock those blocks which are preventing people moving around and
sans
merchandise moving
pouvoir
around.
faire
And
du
if we
travail
do
avec
so, then
toute
we enable investors
la
who want
nation
to invest in
camerounaise.
energy.
Si vous
to
voulez
ensure that there's a
investir
broader
dans
market,
l'énergie,
They know there's a stable market so that
vous
we
devez
can
toujours communiquer
increase the potential of this continent.
avec
I
ces
want to
personnes
end by saying
pour
that
agrandir cette
I think
croissance-là.
the narrative of Africa Rising, which I read about,
Avec cette notion que l'Afrique est en train de se lever, il y a deux implications.
which we hear often.
Pour dire,
Well, but does
une
Africa
chose, c'est que
exist
c'est
in a
une
way of
notion.
54 countries?
On le sait ça,
There's
l'Afrique
mass
a
poverty.
54
There are no
pays.
jobs being created.
Il y a
That
beaucoup de
counter-narrative
pauvreté.
too is
Ils
enormous
ne peuvent
simplification.
pas faire
The
beaucoup de
reality
choses.
is
La réalité
we
est
are
que
going through a transformation.
on
Almost
est
the
en
same
train
as
de
India went through in the
se
early 90s.
transformer.
Almost the same as China went through in the late 70s. So there is no linear progress. You find problems here, you find prospects here.
Il y a
But
toujours des problèmes
fundamentally, the change is going on.
parce qu'il y a les
But it
problèmes
is up
ici,
to us
mais
to
il y a
ensure
aussi
that
le
it
progrès
happens.
ici.
The
Mais le
narrative is our
fondamental
own
est
to
que
define. And this
la
I want to
notion,
thank,
c'est à nous de la
organizers
définir.
for beginning this process of ensure that we define our own story. In that way, we reduce
Comme notre président avait dit, nous-mêmes, nous avons notre destinée dans la main. Merci beaucoup. Je pense que nous avons beaucoup à discuter aujourd'hui.